So we are going to solve the same definition, that is to read a string and check whether it contains a space or not. So we don't want a space in the string, basically. So we're going to read the input from the text control, that is txt1, and I'm going to use the replace method in this video. What does the replace method do? It replaces the first occurrence of something with something else in the said string. So the string in which I want to do the replacement is there in A. And what I'm going to use the trick is I'm going to try and replace the first occurrence of a space character with something else. Now, if a replacement ever took place, which means if there was a space in the string, then the original string and the new string would differ. Now, if there was no space in the first place, then no replacement would take place. And so, after the no replacement, the original string and the new string would still remain the same. And that is the logic I'm going to apply here. First thing, we're going to create our B variable, which is going to contain the new replaced string. So my string, what am I replacing what with? So first thing, I'm going to replace a space with what? I'm going to use an empty character here. Now, at this point, you have two options. Either you compare both the strings, the original string and the new replaced string, or you can find the lengths of both these strings stored in the variables a and b and compare them. If the lengths were same, then again we can safely claim that there is no replacement. Why? Because I am replacing a space character with nothing, which means that I am actually removing the space character. So if at all there was a space character, one or more, the very first occurrence of the space would be removed. So one character is removed from the new string. So the lengths would not match if at all a replacement took place. So that is the length option which you can try. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to simply go ahead and compare whether the original string and the new strings are same or not. So if they are same, then obviously no replacement took place. Otherwise, right, so that should be the solution. Let us see the output here. Now, since there's no space here, it should actually tell me no space because replacement won't take place. So it returns the original string, so no space character. And if I had one or more spaces, makes no difference. Only the first occurrence of the space is replaced. So it says at least one space character is there. Right, so you can go ahead and try both the variations. One is the one which I have solved here. Second is to find the lengths of both the strings, the original and the replaced strings, and compare both the lengths. Right, so try these out and I'll catch you with one more solution of the same problem definition in the next video.